Here we are, DPTE candidates 2024 at Migori Teachers Training College. We are here to present our project in social studies that needed us to improvise a rain gauge. And when you look, this is our rain gauge. And what makes up a rain gauge? First, you find there is a funnel. And second, there is a barrel. And inside the barrel, there is a collecting jar which consists of a scale. And we get the scale is used to measure the amount of rain collected in the rain gauge. And while using the rain gauge, it is placed slightly, it is dug inside the ground 30 centimeters above the ground, and the funnel is placed slightly above the barrel. This is to prevent splashing of water to get inside the collecting jar. Let's give Diana a chance to explain to us why the rain gauge is placed in an open area where there are no building or trees. Yes, Diana?
The reason is to prevent blockage of rain, which can lead to inaccurate readings.
Okay, the water that is collected in the rain gauge is emptied after 24 hours, and the water that went inside, let's say maybe the collecting jar get full. Actually, there is some water that will split inside the barrel. So after measuring the water that was collected in the collecting jar, we then place the water that splitted inside the collecting jar in the barrel into the collecting jar to get the accurate reading of the amount of rain collected on that day.
Wow.
To conclude, let's get to know the materials we used, because the project actually intends that we should use the locally available materials. And for our project, we improvised the bottle. This is the water bottle. We cut the top of it. It was full, but we cut it so that the top one can make a funnel and the bigger one can make a barrel. We also used another water bottle to make a collecting jar, and we also used a paper of which we were to write the scale, and we were to use a ruler to underline to make the scale to look neat and presentable. We also used a pencil to write the scale reading. We also used a tape measure to mount our scale into the collecting jar. Thank you for listening.